Okay, this video is a medical book review, and the book is called The Danger Within Us. I don't know if I can get there. There's the author's name, Jeanne Lenzer. The title, The Danger Within Us. And so I just grabbed this book. I don't even know where I got this book. It was about vagal nerve stimulators, which are, implanted into the chest with a wire going up to the neck to activate a vagus nerve, cranial nerve 10. And stimulation of that can be helpful in some seizure patients. The one problem, though, is it can also slow down the heartbeat. And the sort of star patient of this book, it appears that it was causing asystole, a stopping of heart contractions, and the patient went into code blue. And luckily, he survived. But that's kind of the point of the book, is that you want to know something about whatever's getting implanted in you. Most implants have been around a while. They're relatively safe, but some of them are not. There's all kinds of stories about problems with hip implants, with breast implants, spine implant surgeries, even potentially some pacemaker types. So it's kind of like a drug. You want to make sure that the drug's been around at least 10 years, sometimes even 20 years it takes to fully understand the safety profile. So before going into a potential surgery, first of all, see if you could improve your condition, without needing surgery. A lot of patients with back pain, if they wait a while, they end up doing okay. Sometimes if you optimize your diet, lifestyle habits, you can take the edge off pain or other problems. But, sometimes patients do need surgery, and it's just good to know what your options are. Don't just walk in there, because some of these newer things, there might be complications that are not well known yet. So that was the whole point of the book. So if you're considering, or someone you care about is considering surgical implant of any type, you might want to read this book first. I think you'd be surprised how good the book is.